Hey everyone, Mr. Billy here. First, a message for all of our students impacted by the recent string of wildfires throughout California. If you or a loved one has been impacted, you know that our thoughts are with you, and we wish you the best for you and your family, and a safe return back to school as soon as possible. Now, this has given me a little bit of time to answer a series of questions that I've gathered from you that have been asked over and over again. I thought we'd do a little Q&A. So, let's get started. Question number 1. Do you remember me, and was I your favorite student? Yes, I remember most students that come across my class, and as far as names go, not as well, but I remember most students that come across. Was I your favorite student? I don't really work like that. As long as you're in my class and excited to learn and participating, I just ask that you be there and we'll have an awesome time. Question number 2. Are you a YouTuber? I guess technically, I wouldn't consider myself a YouTuber. I started Flash Math to get out lessons and fun things to engage my students and to help promote the learning that we're doing in the class. To all of those students who are liking and subscribing things, I think that's awesome too. While I love all the views, there's a reason I haven't put out like a gaming video or a slime video. I do it for just the fun of it, and that's really what it comes down to. So who knows? Maybe one day, but right now I like what I do. Next question. I keep missing things on my test. What can I do? This is a great question that I get all the time, and I hate to answer it with a question, but let's look at this, because it could be because you're speeding through and you need to read the questions more carefully. It could be those simple mistakes you're making, you need to slow down. It could be because you don't understand a particular concept, and if that's the case, we need to understand which part of a particular concept you don't get. Because I believe that you get a lot of things. I just want to find out which one thing you struggle with. So there's a few things you can do. Make sure you're quizzing yourself, you're making yourself study guides. A lot of times I find students say, well, when they study, they just kind of flip through. But there's a lot of different ways to study, so making yourself a study guide, teaching a lesson as a practice, making yourself practice problems. These are all really helpful things that you can do, and then of course asking for help. So let's move on to the lightning round. Now, this lightning round was submitted by you to me. I'm going to take a look at these and answer them as succinctly as I possibly can. Let's get started. Question 1. How old are you? 20. Favorite lesson? Well, KFC's up there, along with probably anything to do with negatives or slope intercept, and those are all coming up. Do you have new music videos coming out? Short answer, yes, and I cannot tell you any more than that, but soon. Do you have a TikTok? No. Next question. Can I have a Jolly Rancher? No, you have to earn it. And that's all the questions I have, so I look forward to going back to class, and that's it.